It is a little after 8 o'clock at night, and I am going to try the experiment of dehydrating marshmallows and Peeps in the oven. So the first thing I'm going to do is cover these cookie sheets with parchment paper. I want to use parchment paper because in case these become a gooey mess, it'll be easy to clean it up and throw it away. I love this parchment paper that I got from Costco. On this tray, I'm going to put these mini marshmallows and these chocolate marshmallows that are supposed to be just the right size for s'mores. And we used them last summer. That's how old they are, for s'mores, and they worked really well, but they got stale, obviously, and these little mini ones are very stale. In fact, I don't know if I can even salvage them because they're just a big clump. Yeah, I'm thinking these might have to be thrown away, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm not gonna, it's not worth it to try to salvage those, so goodbye. Hey, sometimes you just have to do what you have to do. But these will be okay, and I know the Peeps will be okay. I'm just going to line these up on the cookie sheet, giving them space between. Okay, so we have plenty of room on there for that. And then on this cookie sheet, I'm going to put the Peeps. And if I have to, I can finish off the Peeps on the other tray as well. And I am going to break these apart because I want them to be individual. I don't want them to be a big old Peep log. I hope these turn out because I've been very interested to know what dehydrated marshmallows taste like. I have a couple, just like 2 Peeps left that are the sour watermelon. I think I'm just going to go ahead and throw those on the tray as well. And these, of course, are the blue raspberry. Okay, let me go get those other 2. These are already kind of starting to get stale, so they should dehydrate pretty quickly. Okay, there are the 2 trays, and I'm going to just put them in my oven on the top rack. But my oven, the lowest temperature is 200, and I think that's way too high for these. I think that would melt them. So I'm just going to have it like on the M of warm, and hopefully that'll be the right temperature. So I'll bring you back tomorrow morning and we'll check on these and see if they need to be in longer than overnight. I gotta move these eggs out of the way. 2 days worth of eggs. So I gotta check. I'm gonna check the Peeps. Well, they're not a melted mess. Let me get my hot pad here. Okay, let me see. Well, they're starting to dry, but they are definitely not, they're still soft. So they're going to need some more time. I may up the temperature a little bit. So, alright, Right now it's right there, so I'm going to up it just a bit and leave it for a few more hours. So we'll check it again in a little while. So they've been in the oven for 24 hours and I decided that after 24 hours that is long enough. And as you can see, these kind of got a little bit toasty and they sound pretty hard. They're still a little bit squishy, but from what I remember other people saying is that once they cool off, then they get really crispy. So I may have overdone it with the 24 hours, but I don't know. They didn't melt, and they're definitely, even just being out of the oven for a few minutes, they're starting to get really hard. So when they're completely cooled, I will give them a taste test for you and see how crunchy they are. Okay, I got one of these blue Peeps. I'm going to give them a try. They feel lighter. I hope they don't break my teeth. Wow. Wow. That totally changes the flavor. It makes it more intense, the blue raspberry. And then I'm going to get one of the other marshmallows and try that. Here's the square ones. Oop. They're a little messy. Wow. You wouldn't think that dehydrating them would actually make them taste even better, but they do. So I would say that dehydrating marshmallows in the oven does work. I probably could have taken them out several hours earlier. But yeah, it worked great. And they're really fun and taste great. I think my kids are going to love them. Thanks a lot for watching, friends. Bye.